family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick and easy affordable wig install. You guys always ask me about all my hair, and I just like to pick my favorite brands of hair and my favorite kind of hair and show you guys. For those of you who are new, my name is Mercy, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, natural hair, beauty, feminine hygiene. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I just do a little bit of everything. So if you would like to join the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another one of my videos. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. Alright family, for today's hair install, I'm going to be going with Wig Element. So this is the company. I've actually worked with this brand before, and I actually like their hair. It's very affordable, but it also has some good quality. So for today's look, I'm going to be wearing this lady right here. And I'm going to leave all the info down below, so don't worry about that. I'll also leave a discount code for you guys, so don't you worry about that. Alright, so first thing first, the thing I like about this hair is the fact that, again, the frontal is already plugged. So when you put it against your skin like that, see that? This area is not super full, which makes your wig looks normal or natural. But when it's not plugged, it just looks weird and it looks unreal. And also that is a lot of work, especially for you ladies who don't know how to plug your hair. So when you're looking for a unit, always try to look for something that is already pre-plugged. This hair also looks like the knots have been bleached. So see that? See how if I put my finger through, you can see my finger and it looks like my scalp? That is a sign that your wig has been dyed or bleached. And that is a good thing actually, because that way your wig is gonna look natural when it's laying on your scalp. Like that. So those are the things I like. And the third thing I like is the fact that it already has a spot for the adjustable straps. So it has one there and it has one here. And then in the box, you'll find this. And that is how you adjust your wig. Kind of like a bra. So you take this part and you hook it onto this. And then you can make your wig bigger or smaller. It also comes with the adjusters that comes with every wig. So like this one. So you can do something similar. If you want it smaller, you can take these and hook it to here, 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 or here. It has 3 combs. So this one, and the one in the back here. And yeah, so this is what the lace looks like. That's what the inside of the wig look like. It has the lace in the front. And it also has the lace in the back in case you wanted to glue that part down and maybe do a ponytail. So, like I said, this is going to be quick, nice and easy. There's been a lot of graduations and a lot of family members have been inviting me to stuff, but I've been a little nervous to go anywhere. But this one is a really close friend slash family member, and they have invited me to a cookout, so I'm gonna go. Our city is opened anyway, but everyone is required to wear masks. So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna put on my mask, but I'm only gonna be there for a few minutes. And I'm also going to do my very, very best to practice social distancing, because I do not play that. I have a child, I have a family that I have to protect, and I have myself to protect. So with that said, I'm just gonna go show my support and still respect my social distancing boundaries and come home. Alright, so I'm just cutting the lace off the hair here. I haven't gone out in such a long time, like, you know, to social gathering, to the point where it makes me nervous. Just the thought of it makes me nervous. But I'm sure it's gonna be fine. For those of you guys who live in cities that are still on lockdown or, you know, partially on lockdown, please still take this serious. Corona is real. It has claimed so many lives, and I just want you guys to be safe, protect yourself, protect your family, and yeah. Alright, so I cut all the lace off. I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on this just so it can match my... Well, first of all, let me try it on. Let's do that. Let's try it on first. This is pretty, y'all. This is my length and type of hair. I don't like super long hair. I'm pretty sure I've said that 1,000 times on this channel, but I don't like it when my hair is long. I just like it when it's simple, especially when it's a wig. I don't need to be wearing a super long wig. So yeah, this fits really good. See that? From ear to ear, it fits really good. Wow, I love how this is plugged, y'all. This is beautiful. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this baby down and we'll be good to go. I love the curls. Doesn't have super crazy curls going on. So this can definitely be an everyday wig or a school wig, a work wig, because it's natural, it's simple, and it's, like I said, affordable. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay my hair down. I'm gonna take this hair tie and tie it in the back so it doesn't disturb me as I'm trying to sleek my edges and stuff. All right, so I'm gonna pull it back a little bit. So for this, I'm gonna be using my Got To Be Glued, and I'm also going to be using a blow dryer to blow dry it down. So let's get started here. Alright, so I'm gonna take my hair and just lay it down on top of the sprayed area. And I'm gonna take my scarf and tie it down. All right, ladies, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Hopefully the hair is down and secured. And yes, it is. See that? That looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna take this off. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna take my brush and brush this out a little bit. I just want to brush the curls out and see what they look like. This is some pretty curls, yo. The hair feels good, so the quality looks pretty good. Now, I haven't used this specific hair before, so I don't know how it's going to hold up over time. But again, just from seeing it like this, feels good, it feels soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that little part. I just want it to have a nice, even, full effect. So I'm gonna cut right there. There we go. There we go. And then, so I have some flyaways there, as you can see up there. So I'm gonna take a little bit of conditioner and put that on to help it stay down. I love the fact that I don't have to curl this if I don't want. I don't have to really do anything with it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna try to perfect a part. So I'm just taking a little bit of leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to take my curling wand, I'm going to turn it on, and then while that's heating up, I'm going to define my part. So again, per usual, I have some makeup here. I have a brush. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to define my part. Alright, so I'm going to take my curling wand. Alright, you guys, so that is down. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the way for a little bit. And just to cover up my lace, I'm just gonna do a little bit of baby hair, nothing crazy. All right, I have my Eco Styler gel, I have a comb, and I'm gonna flip my hair to the back like that. Alright, so this is what I have all the way around. I am going to take my scarf and I'm going to tie it down. Alright guys, while that's doing its thing, I'm going to go ahead and change my earrings here. I'm running a little late, so I got to hurry up and go because I just literally got a text from my friend who I'm gonna go with, and she just texted me and asked if I was ready because she's gonna come pick me up. So I'm actually gonna be switching up my earrings to these. I got these from Forever 21 a long time ago. All right, I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna take this off. And yeah, that looks really good. All my lace is covered, nothing is showing. All right, so I'm gonna brush this a little more. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that leave-in conditioner, rub it on the top so I don't have any flyaways. I'm gonna cut this piece of hair here so it's not so long. It helps cover up the lace even more. And yeah, here we go. This is what it looks like. So a little bit of detail on the hair. This is Indian virgin hair. It is natural black and it is 20 inches long, but as you saw it before, I did cut it a little bit because I wanted it to be full right here. So yes, also the density on this is 150%. You can go up to 250, I think, but 150% is what this one is, and it's pretty full. But if you want your hair to be really full, then I would say go up in density. And of course, the higher you go, the more costly it is, but this is pretty good for the price. And then last but not least, the unit has a 6-inch parting space. So in the middle here, it can go up to 6 inches in the back. But like I said, I do like the wig. I don't know long-term wise how it's gonna turn out, but just from putting it on for the first time, I actually really like it. Like I said, it's a more natural look and that's what I like. So yeah, that is it for this wig, guys. Like I said, I'll leave all the info down below. Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing the hair, I'll also leave a discount code to help you guys do that. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support. If you did like the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one.